In previous video, we have seen that how to find the hidden subdomains by using Subfinder. Installation of Subfinder and how to use Subfinder. Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to look how to filter the live subdomains by using HTTPX tool. In browser, search HTTPX GitHub. You will find the first link. This tool from Project Discovery. Scroll down the page, we can see the installation instruction. Just copy this command. Paste it in your terminal. We don't have Go language. To install, type sudo apt install golang-go. Golang is installed. Now, we are ready to install the HTTPX. It will take some time. Already, in previous video we have collected the subdomains by Subfinder. Now, we will filter the live subdomains by HTTPX by command cat subdomains.txt pipe HTTPX hyphen status hyphen code. It will filter the live subdomains and also mention the status code. Now, we will use -o switch, which helps to save the output in text file. We can see live subdomains.txt file is generated. By cat command we can see the list of live subdomains. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.